If you're in search of the top 3D scanning services in Noida, Delhi NCR, look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. This innovative company is at the forefront of the 3D scanning industry and offers a range of services that are sure to meet all your scanning needs. Whether you're in need of scanning for architectural designs, product prototypes, or even medical imaging, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise and technology to deliver exceptional results. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other 3D scanning services is their commitment to quality and precision. They use state-of-the-art scanning equipment that ensures accurate and detailed scans every time. Their team of skilled technicians is trained in the latest scanning techniques and can handle even the most complex projects with ease. Whether you're looking to scan small objects or large structures, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the capabilities to handle it all. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your 3D scanning needs is their quick turnaround time. They understand that time is of the essence, especially in industries where deadlines are tight. That's why they strive to deliver your scans in a timely manner without compromising on quality. With their efficient processes and advanced technology, you can expect to receive your scans promptly, allowing you to move forward with your projects without any delays. Another reason why Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as one of the top 3D scanning services in Noida, Delhi NCR, is their exceptional customer service. They prioritize customer satisfaction and go above and beyond to ensure that their clients' needs are met. From initial consultations to final delivery, their team is dedicated to providing a seamless experience. They listen attentively to your requirements, offer expert advice, and work closely with you throughout the scanning process to ensure that all your expectations are exceeded. Are you looking for the top 3D scanning services in Noida, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to meet all your scanning needs. When it comes to 3D scanning, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as the best in the business. With their state-of-the-art technology and highly skilled team, they offer top-notch scanning services that are second to none. Whether you need 3D scanning for architectural purposes or product design, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other scanning services is their commitment to excellence. They understand the importance of accuracy and precision in 3D scanning, and they go above and beyond to deliver exceptional results. Their team of experts utilizes the latest scanning technology to capture even the smallest details, ensuring that every scan is of the highest quality. With Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, you can trust that your projects will be handled with the utmost care and professionalism. Another reason why Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is considered the top 3D scanning service in Noida, Delhi NCR, is their extensive experience in the field. With years of industry